Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Joanna. So in today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to recreate this trending BUBU kaftan dress. Let's get straight to the tutorial. So I have about 2 yards of Ankara fabric, a pair of scissors, then measuring tape, and then a piece of chalk. So basically these are the items you're going to use for the tutorial. So the fabric is folded into four for the back and the front part of the dress. Considering the biggest measurement happens to be the hip divided by 4 plus your sleeve length and then stitching allowance. Okay, let's get to the length. The length for this dress is 37 inches plus 2 inches, which 1.5 will be used to fold the down part, and then the half inch will be used to join the shoulders together. So that makes it 39 inches, and that is what I'm going to mark. Remember, this particular kaftan dress doesn't have a zipper at the back, so there's not going to be any zipper allowance at the back part of the dress. That's why they are being folded together. So the front and the back part of the dress are on each other, on top of each other like this. I folded them together. So I went ahead to mark the point, the 39 inches, and I'm going to straighten that up. So guys, if you are new to this channel and you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, kindly consider subscribing, like this video, share this video, and then leave a comment in the comment section. So now I went ahead to divide my shoulder to shoulder measurement by 2. Then I went ahead to add my sleeve length to it as well. And I marked that. So that is it. That's my shoulder to shoulder measurement divided by 2. So I'm going to mark the neck width, which is 3 inches. Then the neck depth, I'm going to make it 1.5 inches. So this is going to be actually for the back part of the dress. So 3 inches for the width and then 1.5 inches for the depth. I'm going to give it a curve for the neckline. Now from where the sleeve length ends, I'm going to mark that out where the sleeve length is. Then I'm going to add at least 1 inch or half inch for the stitching allowance. Then from there I'm going to come down 1 inch for the shoulder slope. I'll come down 1 inch for the shoulder slope and then connect it to the neckline. So now we are going to mark that of our sleeve length. Now to do that, I'm going to come down from where we came down 1 inch from the shoulder. I'm going to come down from that place 9 inches. Now 9 inches, or you can go further depending on how loose you want the sleeve to be on you. So I came down 9 inches. So from here you are going to divide your hip measurement or your biggest measurement. That's if it's your bust, that becomes your biggest measurement. So you're going to divide that by 4. Then you add inches, extra inches. So I'm going to add at least 2 inches for easiness for the dress. So how loose you want it on you depends actually on you. So I'm going to add 2 inches for easiness, and that's the measurement I'll mark to the very end of the dress. I'll go ahead to straighten out the lines. So I measured the shoulder to shoulder measurement plus the sleeve, and then I'm going to repeat that measurement on where the sleeve length is like this. After that, I'm going to connect or give it a curve to join that of the hip measurement that we have like this. I'm going to just give it a curve at the armhole area, and then that's basically it. So I just went ahead to straighten the sleeve length like so. Okay, so that's basically it. I'm going to cut this out, excluding so as you can see, we didn't mark the neck depth for the front part of the dress. We do that later. Remember, the front and the back pieces are equal. So I'm cutting this out following the chalk direction. Now first of all, going to cut the shoulder slope out before I cut the necklines for both the front and then the back parts of the dress. Okay, so I'm first of all going to cut out the back neckline. Remember, you marked that together, so I'm going to cut that out before we move on to the front part of the dress. So that is being done. I'm going to take one piece out. I'm going to take one piece out. So this is the front and then the back part. So take one piece out for the front part, then we mark the neck depth, then we cut the neckline for the front as well. So fold it back after taking a piece or taking one piece um of the garments, then we fold it back. So I'm going to go down from the shoulder. I'm going to go down 10 inches. Then I'll go in from that point 1 inch. I'll mark 1 inch like this. Then I'm going to connect it to the neckline like so. So I'll go ahead and then cut the neckline out after marking. So I'm going to open it up to look at how it came out. So this is how it came out. Okay, so from here I'm going to place the back parts of the dress on it to join the shoulders together. Now I'm going to take it to the sewing machine and then join them with half of an inch. Join each shoulder with half of an inch. So this is how it came out after joining them. I'm going to turn it to the right side of the garment, and then I'm going to use my measuring tape to measure around the neckline to see the measurement. So I had about 30 inches after measuring. So I just went ahead to rearrange the dress. So this is the band that we are going to be using to join the neckline. So it's actually 4¾ of an inch. You can make it as big as or as small as you want. So that is it, and then the length is about 32 inches. Remember, when we measured the neckline circumference was around 30 inches, so I made it more longer than that of the neckline so that I can get at least extra ones at the down part. So I'm going to actually join the band to the neckline with half of an inch, and then before that I'm going to pin it down around the neckline. Then I will take it to the sewing machine to join it with half of an inch. So I also have two bands for the sleeve as well. So that is 2 inches on fold, and I'm going to join it to the sleeve as well. And I'll join it with half of an inch like this. I'll do same for the other side of the sleeve as well. So this is how it came out after joining them. So guys, kindly subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel. Like this video, share this video, and leave a comment on what you didn't understand. So I'm going to trim off the excess of the band at the neckline. Then I will notch the edgy areas of it and fold it back like this. Okay, so now that has been done, I'm going to place the shape that is in front of the BUBU kaftan dress. You can actually give it any shape that you want. You can make it square, you make it triangular, any shape at all. So this is how I made mine. I cut about 11.5 inches, and then by the length I marked 10.5 inches. Then I went ahead to fold in about 1 centimeter, and then I flat ironed it. I shaped one side of the design, the rectangular shape. So that's basically it, and I place it on the neckline like this, like how you're seeing it. I went ahead to pin it before I take it to the sewing machine to join it or top stitch it to the front part of the dress. Okay, so this is basically it. So once this is done, I'm going to top stitch this like this to join it to the front part of the dress. Okay, so this is how it came out after I top stitched it. Now I'm going to turn it to the wrong side of the garment like this, and then I'm going to join the side with 1 inch seam allowance. So like I said, I'm joining both the sides of the dress with 1 inch seam allowance. So that's what I'm marking like this all the way down. So I'm taking the sewing machine to do that. Okay, so that has been done. I joined both sides with 1 inch seam allowance. So now I'm going to fold up the hem of the dress. So I'll first of all fold in 1/2 inch and then fold up 1 inch like this, then stitch it all round like this, then I stitch it all round. So that has also been done, and I turned it to the right side of the garment. So this is how it came out. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Keep being amazing wherever you are. Stay blessed. Bye.